Hello everybody, this is my homework. Fred had a red rubber ball. He kicked the ball. It flew through the air. He picked it up. He threw it against the wall. The ball came back to Fred. He kicked it with his foot again. The ball flew over the wall. He picked it up again. He bounced it on the street. The ball bounced up. The ball bounced up. The ball bounced up and down. The ball bounced up and down. Then it stopped bouncing up and down. It didn't move. Fred's dog batted the ball. Fred kicked the ball. His dog ran after the ball.